Freshdesk Omnichannel Online Training. Overview of Freshdesk Omnichannel, understanding its features and benefits. Freshdesk Omnichannel is a customer support platform that integrates various communication channels to provide a seamless customer experience. Here's an overview of its key features and benefits. Features. Unified Dashboard offers a single view of all customer interactions across different channels, email, chat, phone, social media, etc., making it easier for support teams to manage and respond to inquiries. Multi-channel support allows businesses to interact with customers through multiple channels, ensuring that no communication is missed. Customers can switch between channels without losing context. Collaboration tools, features like team discussions, internal notes, and the ability to assign tickets to different team members facilitate collaboration among support agents. Automated ticketing system automatically converts incoming requests from various channels into tickets, helping prioritize and manage customer queries efficiently. Self-service portal provides customers with access to a knowledge base, FAQs, and community forums, allowing them to find answers independently and reducing the load on support teams. Reporting and Analytics offers insights into support metrics, agent performance, and customer satisfaction, enabling data-driven decision-making to improve service quality. Integration capabilities easily integrates with other tools and platforms, such as CRM systems, e-commerce platforms, and productivity tools, enhancing workflow efficiency. AI-powered chatbot automates responses to common queries, providing instant support while freeing up agents for more complex issues. Benefits. Enhanced customer experience. By providing a unified and consistent support experience, customers feel valued and understood, leading to higher satisfaction and loyalty. Increased efficiency. Streamlined workflows and automated processes reduce response times and improve agent productivity, allowing teams to handle more queries effectively. Better communication. The ability to communicate through various channels ensures that customers can reach out in their preferred way, enhancing engagement. Data-driven insights. Analytics tools help identify trends and areas for improvement, allowing businesses to make informed adjustments to their support strategies. Scalability. The platform can grow with your business, easily accommodating increased support volume and additional channels as needed. Cost-effective. By reducing the need for multiple tools and enhancing self-service options, Freshdesk Omnichannel can lead to significant cost savings in support operations. Setting up Freshdesk Omnichannel, a step-by-step guide. Setting up Freshdesk Omnichannel is a great way to streamline customer support across various channels. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Step 1. Sign up or log in. Create an account. If you don't have a Freshdesk account, go to the Freshdesk website and sign up for an account. Log in. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. Step 2. Access the Omnichannel setup. Dashboard. From the Freshdesk dashboard, navigate to the Admin section. Omnichannel setup. Look for the Omnichannel or Channels option to start configuring your channels. Step 3. Configure channels. Email. Add your support email addresses. Configure email forwarding if necessary. Phone. Set up your phone support by integrating with a telephony provider or using Freshdesk's built-in calling feature. Configure IVR, interactive voice response, options if required. Chat. Enable the chat feature by configuring your chat widget settings. Customize chat responses and appearance to match your branding. Social media. Connect your Facebook and Twitter accounts to respond to customer inquiries via social media. Set up automated responses for common queries. Messaging apps. Integrate with messaging platforms like WhatsApp or Telegram for direct communication. Ensure compliance with messaging app policies. Step 4. Set up knowledge base. Create articles. Add articles to your knowledge base to provide self-service options for customers. Categorization. Organize articles into categories for easier navigation. Step 5. Configure automation. Automated responses. Set up automated replies for common inquiries across all channels. Workflow automations. Create rules to route tickets to the appropriate team based on the channel or content. Step 6. Customize the help desk. Branding. Customize the help desk interface with your company's branding, including logos and color schemes. Forms. Design forms for ticket submission that gather the information you need from customers. Step 7. Train your team. Onboarding. Train your support team on how to use Freshdesk effectively. Best practices. Share best practices for handling multi-channel support inquiries. Integrating communication channels in Freshdesk Omnichannel. Best practices. Integrating communication channels in Freshdesk Omnichannel effectively enhances customer engagement and streamlines support operations. Here are some best practices for successful integration. 1. Identify key channels. Determine customer preferences. Analyze where your customers prefer to communicate. Example, email, chat, social media, phone. Prioritize channels. Focus on integrating the most used channels first to maximize impact. 2. Unified customer view. Centralize customer data. Use Freshdesk to aggregate customer interactions across all channels for a holistic view. Profile enrichment. Collect and display customer data, including past interactions and preferences, to personalize support. 3. Consistent messaging. Standardize responses. Create a library of templates and responses for common queries to maintain brand voice across channels. Cross-channel updates. Ensure that updates, example, ticket status, are reflected in real time across all platforms. 4. Utilize automation. Automated routing. Set up rules to direct inquiries to the appropriate team based on channel and issue type. Chatbots and AI. Implement chatbots to handle routine inquiries and escalate complex issues to human agents. 5. Training and resources. Agent training. Equip support agents with training on using all integrated channels and understanding the omni-channel workflow. Resource accessibility. Provide agents with easy access to knowledge bases and resources to resolve issues quickly. 6. Monitor performance. Analytics and reporting. Use Freshdesk's analytics tools to track performance metrics across channels, such as response times and customer satisfaction scores. Regular feedback loops gather feedback from agents and customers to identify pain points and areas for improvement. 7. Ensure compliance and security. Data protection. Follow regulations, example GDPR, regarding customer data handling across all channels. Security protocols. Implement secure authentication and data encryption to protect customer interactions. 8. Continuous improvement. Regular reviews periodically assess the effectiveness of each channel integration and make necessary adjustments. Stay updated. Keep abreast of new features and integrations offered by Freshdesk to enhance omnichannel capabilities. 9. Customer feedback and engagement. Solicit customer input. Regularly ask customers for feedback on their experience across different channels. Engagement strategies. Use surveys, polls, and follow-ups to engage customers post-interaction and improve future experiences. Enhancing customer support with Freshdesk Omnichannel. Strategies for success. Enhancing customer support with Freshdesk Omnichannel involves leveraging its comprehensive features to create a seamless and effective support experience. Here are some strategies for success. 1. Unified customer view. Centralize customer data. Use Freshdesk to consolidate customer interactions from various channels, email, chat, phone, social media, into a single platform. This ensures support agents have access to all relevant information, allowing for personalized service. Customer profiles. Maintain detailed customer profiles with history and preferences, enabling agents to tailor their responses. 2. Multi-channel support. Diverse communication channels. Implement various support channels such as email, chat, social media, and phone. Ensure customers can reach out through their preferred method. Proactive engagement. Use chatbots and automated messages to engage customers proactively, guiding them through common queries before they reach a support agent. 3. Automation and AI integration. Ticket automation. Utilize Freshdesk's automation features to streamline ticket management, categorizing and prioritizing tickets based on urgency and type. AI-powered insights. Leverage AI to analyze customer interactions and predict issues, allowing for proactive support and personalized responses. 4. Self-service options. Knowledge base. Create a robust knowledge base with articles, FAQs, and how-to guides. Empower customers to find answers independently, reducing the load on support agents. Community forums. Establish community forums where customers can help each other, fostering engagement and reducing support requests. 5. Training and resources for agents. Ongoing training. Invest in regular training sessions for support agents on Freshdesk features, customer service best practices, and product knowledge. Resource availability. Provide agents with easy access to resources and documentation, enabling them to resolve queries efficiently. 6. Performance analytics. Monitor KPIs. Use Freshdesk's reporting tools to track key performance indicators such as response times, resolution rates, and customer satisfaction scores. Feedback loops. Regularly gather customer feedback through surveys and reviews to identify areas for improvement in support processes. 7. Integrations with other tools. CRM and marketing tools. Integrate Freshdesk with other tools such as CRM systems or marketing platforms to provide a holistic view of customer interactions across the business. Collaboration tools. Use integrations with collaboration platforms like Slack or Microsoft Teams to facilitate real-time communication among support agents. 8. Continuous improvement. Regular audits. Conduct regular audits of support processes and performance metrics to identify strengths and areas for improvement. Stay updated. Keep up with Freshdesk updates and new features, ensuring the team is utilizing the platform to its full potential. Leveraging Freshdesk Omnichannel for seamless customer experiences. In today's competitive landscape, providing a seamless customer experience is crucial for retaining customers and fostering brand loyalty. Freshdesk's Omnichannel solution enables businesses to engage with customers across various channels, ensuring consistent and personalized interactions. This approach not only enhances customer satisfaction but also streamlines support operations. Key features of Freshdesk Omnichannel. Unified Customer View. Freshdesk consolidates customer interactions from multiple channels, email, chat, phone, social media, into a single view. This allows support agents to access complete customer history and context, enabling more informed and efficient responses. Channel flexibility. Customers can choose their preferred communication channels. Whether it's via live chat, social media, or traditional email, Freshdesk ensures that customers receive prompt assistance wherever they engage. Automated routing. Freshdesk utilizes intelligent ticket routing to direct customer inquiries to the most appropriate agents based on skill set, availability, and workload. This minimizes response times and enhances resolution rates. Self-service options. The platform provides robust self-service features, such as knowledge bases and FAQs. Customers can find answers to common questions independently, which can reduce the volume of inquiries that agents need to handle. Integrated analytics. Freshdesk offers analytics tools that provide insights into customer interactions across channels. Businesses can track performance metrics, customer satisfaction scores, and agent efficiency, allowing for data-driven improvements. Benefits of omnichannel support. Enhanced customer satisfaction. By offering multiple channels for support and ensuring consistency across them, businesses can significantly improve the customer experience, leading to higher satisfaction and loyalty. Increased efficiency. With a centralized platform for managing all customer interactions, agents can work more efficiently, reducing the time spent switching between different tools and systems. Improved collaboration. Freshdesk facilitates collaboration among teams by providing visibility into customer interactions. This ensures that all team members are informed and can contribute to resolving customer issues effectively. Personalized interactions. Access to a unified customer view allows agents to personalize interactions, making customers feel valued and understood. This can lead to stronger relationships and increased customer retention. Best practices for implementing Freshdesk Omnichannel. Train your team. Ensure that support teams are well trained on using Freshdesk's features and understand the importance of providing consistent service across channels. Tracking and analyzing customer interactions in Freshdesk Omnichannel. Tracking and analyzing customer interactions in Freshdesk Omnichannel is crucial for enhancing customer experience and optimizing support processes. Here's an expanded overview. 1. Unified Customer View. Centralized Dashboard. Freshdesk provides a unified dashboard that aggregates customer interactions across various channels, email, chat, social media, phone, etc., allowing support agents to see the complete customer journey. Customer profiles. Detailed profiles with interaction history help agents understand previous issues and preferences. 2. Interaction tracking. Omnichannel support. Every customer touchpoint is tracked, whether it's through chat, email, or social media, ensuring no interaction goes unnoticed. Automated ticket creation. Interactions can automatically generate tickets, streamlining the workflow and ensuring timely follow-ups. 3. Analytics and reporting. Performance metrics. Freshdesk offers analytics tools to track response times, resolution times, and agent performance, helping identify areas for improvement. Customer satisfaction, CSAT, scores. CSAT surveys can be integrated to gauge customer satisfaction after interactions, providing direct feedback on service quality. 4. Insights and trends. Interaction trends. Analyze peak times for customer interactions, common issues raised, and frequently used channels, allowing for better resource allocation and training. Sentiment analysis. Some integrations provide sentiment analysis of customer interactions, helping understand customer feelings and improving response strategies. 5. Automation and workflows. Automated responses. Use bots to provide instant responses to common queries, freeing up agents for more complex issues. Custom workflows. Set up workflows based on customer behavior or interaction types, ensuring timely follow-ups and resolutions. 6. Collaboration tools. Internal notes and tags. Agents can leave internal notes and tags on tickets to collaborate effectively, enhancing communication and knowledge sharing. Team escalation. If an issue is complex, it can be escalated to specialized teams directly within the platform. 7. Feedback loops. Follow-up actions. Implement follow-up actions based on interaction analysis, such as proactive outreach to customers who have unresolved issues. Feedback collection. Regularly gather feedback on the support experience to identify strengths and weaknesses. 8. Integrations. Third-party tools. Freshdesk can integrate with various CRM, marketing, and analytics tools, enriching the data available for customer interactions and enhancing overall insight. Customizing Freshdesk Omnichannel for your business needs. Customizing Freshdesk Omnichannel for your business needs can significantly enhance your customer support experience. Here are several key aspects to consider. 1. Tailored workflows. Automate processes. Utilize automation to streamline ticket management. Set up rules to categorize, prioritize, and assign tickets based on specific criteria. Custom ticket fields. Create custom fields to capture relevant information specific to your business, ensuring agents have all necessary details at their fingertips. 2. Channel integration. Multiple channels. Integrate various communication channels such as email, chat, social media, and phone. Ensure all interactions are captured in a unified interface. Chatbots. Deploy AI-powered chatbots for instant responses to common queries, freeing up agents for more complex issues. 3. Knowledge base enhancement. Self-service options. Develop a comprehensive knowledge base that provides customers with answers to common questions, reducing the number of incoming tickets. Categorization. Organize articles by topic and implement search functionalities for easy access. 4. Customer segmentation. Personalized communication. Use customer data to segment your audience and tailor communication strategies. Send targeted messages based on customer behavior and preferences. Custom views. Create views for agents based on specific customer segments or ticket types, enabling focused and efficient support. 5. Reporting and analytics. Custom dashboards. Set up dashboards that reflect key performance indicators, KPIs, important to your business. Track metrics such as response time, ticket resolution rates, and customer satisfaction. Feedback collection. Implement surveys and feedback tools to gather insights from customers about their support experience, helping identify areas for improvement. 6. Collaboration tools. Team communication. Utilize Freshdesk's collaboration features like internal notes and mentions to enhance communication between agents. Escalation paths. Define clear escalation paths for complex issues to ensure timely resolution. 7. Brand customization. Branding elements. Customize the appearance of your Freshdesk portal with your company's branding, logos, colors, and design elements to create a cohesive customer experience. Personalized email templates. Design email templates that align with your brand voice, ensuring consistency in communication. 8. Training and support. Agent training. Provide ongoing training for your support team to ensure they are well-versed in using the platform and understand the importance of customer engagement. Resource availability. Ensure agents have access to resources and documentation that can help them resolve tickets efficiently. Why choose ProExcellency for Freshdesk Omnichannel Online Training? Choosing ProExcellency for Freshdesk Omnichannel Online Training offers several benefits. Expert instructors. ProExcellency employs experienced trainers who are well-versed in Freshdesk and customer support best practices. Comprehensive curriculum. The training covers all aspects of Freshdesk, including setup, features, and best practices for omni-channel support. Hands-on learning. The program includes practical exercises and real-world scenarios to ensure participants can apply what they've learned. Flexible schedule. Online training allows you to learn at your own pace and schedule sessions that fit your availability. Support resources. ProExcellency provides access to additional resources and support, helping participants with any questions after the training. Certification. Completing the training can enhance your resume with a certification that demonstrates your expertise in Freshdesk. Community access. Participants often gain access to a community of learners and professionals, fostering networking and support. Thank you.